I don't play bet Naija, that one no work. I play King Bet, that one no work. I even join my old papa play lotto, play pool, no work. E be like say I go follow that address wey that baba give me for Facebook. Yeah. I think that is what I will do now. I go check am whether I go get money now. How my men go dey drive Benz now? Go just dey no. I will go see that baba. I need to see.
Eke ori afọ nkwo. What we go eat today must come out. People will carry motor, people will carry car. This lockdown, man go eat. That's how it go be. Eke ori. Remove your slippers.
Baba, calm down now. This is my life savings. So.
Remove your slippers.
You
don't fear the gods.
So I mean, they fear the God, but not the point I'm in hand. My life saving be this.
I see that. Ori afọ nkwo. Over your hand. Eke ori afọ nkwo. Eke ori. No wonder. I know your problem. What you go do now? The girls need to eat. This is number 1 assignment. Cook better food, bring for the girls to eat.
Nah, Baba, I be like say you no understand wetin I tell you. Say me I no get money. Nothing. Now I trek from my area. They come here self. What of bread and pure water?
And pure water?
Yeah.
For the girls to eat. For money reach. For you to get money. I not tell you say go buy cow. No. Go bring the pure water and bread.
Bring the pure.
Go.
Amblonita si afufu dominata nuwa Magi apata rego Ambloni basi ambonini na banuwa Ibasi amege kwe igabia
Arrange this thing, start arranging this thing. The gods want to eat your sacrifice.
Ma start arranging.
Arrange it. The gods want to eat your sacrifice.
Wow. God.
God is taking your sacrifice.
Yo. Like this now that you say, as I arrange them now, my life go run long. Maybe I go get better money, plenty money. Pass down go to yourself. The little and small.
Keep arranging the thing.
Okay.
For the gods to give you money, you need money.
Like this now, deleting a small boy from my side, man. And when money pass down the
Where are you?
on my side, who be Davido?
You get money pass the video.
Davido, nonsense. My wife whiskey come dey chat man.
Cubana chief priest go be your boy. You go get money pass Obi Cubana.
Na small boy from my side. My junior boy. His face no get money. So if he help me, I never he help me.
No, for God.
Papa na money. I want me do. I want me money just dey pursue me for my house. I need money. If I go,
Hold on. Check around here. Do you see anything that look as if me myself get money? I get money, I come here. I get money, I chop bread and pure water. I get money, as you don't hear, inside this place. Let's go to the bite me.
understand. You don't chop my bread, chop my bread. My last car, you just disturb me.
Listen, I tell you. I know your problem. This is Bible. Yesterday, I dey watch movie, television. I hear where pastor preach say anything where you do, anything where you touch hand, God go bless you. My brother, this work what they do here now, even against what they do. Since 1 week, now this pure water and bread will give me where I chop. I never chop. Thank God say God bring you, give me food I chop.
Where my bread?
Listen.
Don't touch me, where my bread?
Let's go and look for job.
Where my bread?
Let's go and look for job.
Amblonita si afufu dominata nuwa Magi apata
Let's go and look for something good to do.
Wait, like this
So it go
now.
better for you and me.
No, like this now. You don't chop my bread. I walk out from my.
rego Ambloni basi ambonini na banuwa
Let me say God go give us money if we find work. Let's go and find work, my brother. I don't care for this thing. Let's go and find work.
Amblonita si afufu dumi na tanuwa.